Okay. What's so important? My sources have told me that Malice has learned how to make slime. But how? I thought you were working on it. Oh no, I've known the recipe for years. I just kept it top secret. Well, if this is top secret and you already know the recipe, why am I here? I just thought it would be fun to teach you. Now you're ready. Empty the bottle of soap into the bowl. Now add the cornstarch. Careful not to add too much. We don't want it to turn into Play-Doh. Stop! Good job. Thanks. What's wrong? This is the difficult part. Make a mistake and what? Well, let's hope we don't find out. Oh, I'm only joking. It's all perfectly safe. All you have to do now is stir it. Slime. Woohoo! I wonder if Malice managed it. We'll see. There's one special ingredient left. What is it? Try it. It looks so pretty. How did you do that? Oh. What's wrong, Malice? Did you have some trouble?
Okay, I just had to cut the black wire without cutting the red one, and my creation should be ready.
Hey, Liana, what you doing? Ooh, you're building something. Is it for the talent contest?
Yep.
Is it a smoke machine? I bet it's a smoke machine.
What makes you say that, Esme?
Well, it's smoking a lot now. It's a smoke machine.
Well, I can't tell you. It's a surprise for the talent contest tonight.
Aww.
What's your talent, Esme?
Well, I can't decide between holding a handstand for 10 minutes or eating 10 whole tubs of Haribos in 10 seconds.
Is either actually possible?
Duh!
Well, what are the others doing?
Well, Olivia and Isabella are doing some kind of joint talent. They're planning some kind of dance, I think. Olivia, this isn't working.
Isabella, we're redefining dance, the fusion of ballet and oompa, balloompa.
Yes, I know what you said. It's going to be the next ballet or oompa.
Or bigger than both combined. Exactly. Now come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. What about Malice? Is she entering the competition?
Yeah, she said she's got a talent we won't see coming.
Let's hope it's better than last year.
Yeah, paintings are always a lot more impressive when you don't use invisible paints.
Yeah, I wonder what she is doing this year.
It's no good, Timothy. If they didn't like my invisible painting, they'll never like my book written in invisible ink. Oh, Timothy, what am I going to do? Timothy, you're right! I can show them my Timothy! Timothy! Where are you? If this can work on spiders, then it can work on me! Oh, it would help if you could see me, wouldn't it? So now you can see me, but the princesses won't have a clue. Time to wreak havoc at this talent show.
It won't stop smoking.
It's a smoke machine, I'm telling you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Kiddyzuzaa Talent Show. We have a very exciting evening planned full of wonderful talents. First up, we'll have Esme, who's going to be impressing us with her eating skills.
Thanks, everyone. I'll be eating 10 whole tubs of Haribo in 10 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go! And your 10 seconds are up. Let's count the tubs. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. And there's no 10th box. Hard luck, Esme, hard luck. Next up are Olivia and Isabella, who will be doing some balloon pa.
It's Balloompa. Hit the music. Hang on, what's that? There's someone in the smoke. What? Where? Hello? Quick! Throw the pies at it!
And Liliana, you're last. What is your invention?
Can't you tell? It's a smoke machine. Knew it!
Well, that concludes the evening. Malice never turned up to compete. I wonder where she is.
It's finally here, Timothy. Friday the 13th. I wonder what evil will show itself today. I wonder who that could be. Hey, Malice. I just came to return your evil hair straightener. Thanks. Anyways, I better get going. The forecast says it's going to be a thunderstorm soon. Fine. Do you want to come in? Yay! Sleepover! What was that, Malice? Why am I talking to myself? Oh, it's fine. I do it all the time. It helps me remember stuff like what I ate that day, what I'm going to eat later. Esme, we've swapped bodies. Oh yeah, I wondered why I smelled so bad. Esme, what are we going to do? Let's call Isabella. She'll know what to do.
And there, all better.
We're still in each other's bodies, Isabella. This didn't work at all.
Wait, you've swapped bodies? I just thought you decided to change that terrible hair of yours. Meh. I wonder.
Liliana, I thought you were supposed to be good at fixing things.
I am. I fix things with my screwdriver, but it looks like my screwdriver needs fixing.
Olivia, please, you have to fix this. I can't take it anymore. Please hurry.
Don't worry, Malice. I know just the thing to get this all back to normal. Ah, here it is. Just say these words. Olivia is the best.
Olivia is the best.
And Malice stinks.
Hey!
Sorry, Malice. I don't write the spells. I just use them.
Ugh, fine. And Malice stinks. I can't believe that spell actually worked. Who wrote this thing? Timothy, this is the life. A relaxing night in with my favourite fluffy slippers. Now I know they're cute, but I don't care. They're comfy. This is perfect. No interruptions, no worries, and definitely no...
Malice, we need to borrow some sugar, please.
Princesses.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh, is that a cucumber mask?
Great choice.
Thanks. Go away. I told you Malice wouldn't let us borrow some sugar.
But Isabella, we have to believe in the kindness of strangers, the goodness that can be inside anyone. Never mind, let's go.
Good riddance. Now, where are we, Timothy?
It won't open.
What? But I have to do my bedtime skincare routine.
It's stuck.
Use some magic.
Looks like we're here for the night.
What now?
The door is broken.
But the locksmith won't be open until tomorrow morning.
Exactly. So it looks like...
We're staying here tonight. I'm sorry, but we are. I'll have some hot cocoa, please.
Isabella, I don't think we should be...
With marshmallows.
Stop, Malice will get...
And a biscuit, please. Okay, anything for you, Olivia?
What?
I don't have to like you to be a good host, but if this is a sleepover, it'll be done properly.
Oh. Okay. I'll take a cocoa too. Thanks.
Red. R-E-D. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not trust your greatest enemy. Darn, I knew I should have spent more time on my hair.
My go. Blue.
B-L-U-E.
3.
1, 2, 3. Sometimes things are traps.
Weird. I wonder what it means.
Mysterious. Okay, new game.
How about truth or dare?
Okay, I'll go first. Olivia, truth or dare?
I'll pick...
I dare you to give me your wand.
Okay, sure.
Now I dare you both to look outside. What? This is a trap! We should have never trusted you, Matt.
Oh no!
Malice has taken over the world.
We're doomed!
Oh, for you, it was all a dream, Timothy. Wasn't it? Warning, some of the product may not wash off. Sorry.
Oh, I think it's time for breakfast. Yummy.
Timothy, this isn't your cereal.
Malice, is that you? You look...
I know, fabulous. It's this new look I'm trying. What do you think?
Malice?
What? But...
Are you sure you followed the steps correctly?
Ugh.